ladies, it's the 4th of July weekend coming up and I couldn't be more excited. This summer, we are having an all-women's workshop for building confidence and finding your courage. I put this workshop together because I've had some of my clients come to me and they have these great, fascinating dreams, these big ideas, but they cannot find the courage to take action. And some of them wish they could just know what to do to take the steps to get what they really want out of life. So that's why I'm here. My name is Rebekah Shipp, and I'm so excited to be coaching this workshop on July 15th. Please join us because you're going to have gifts and resources and community. We're going to lift you up, we're going to build you up, and we're going to take you step by step on how to build your courage and confidence. So what can you expect from this workshop? You can expect to have fun. It's engaging, it's high energy, it's inspirational. This is a hands-on workshop that's going to leave you feeling recharged, reignited, and ready to take on the world. So if you're really ready to do what I call living life elevated, then go ahead and register today. And for the 4th of July weekend only, save 10% with promo code SAVE10. I can't wait to see you there. And until then, be brave, be bold, and become a force of nature.